What's up, guys? This is John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing today? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Vfolk Pro here. So Vfolk actually reached out to me, so thank you. Shout out to Vfolk Pro for sponsoring this video. And they said, hey, Magic Tech Review, we noticed that you've been producing some cool vaping videos and stuff like that in the past, and that you're an ex-smoker, and we'd like for you to try out our products. So I said, sure, why not? So that's where this has basically come from. So I've been trying out the mango flavor for quite a bit, some time now, about a week now, and I actually really enjoy it. But I want to show you guys the actual contents of all the product and everything like that, and I want to try out some different flavors here with you right now. I haven't tried out the mint, the coffee, or the tobacco, but I do got to say that so far the mango is a very cool, very good flavor. Like the actual, what is it, the actual flavor of it, the smell of it hits you really fast, really like wow. So I think they hit it out of the ballpark, especially when it comes to the flavor prospect of this thing. Vfolk Pro, obviously not a big company whatsoever. They basically just launched their website, I think yesterday or today. So we're gonna go ahead and give them a go here. So it says the Vfolk Pro device comes with one US cable, comes with one, and of course you have all your warning products, guys. Do not use this if you are underage. Obviously nicotine is a addictive chemical, as stated right there. I started smoking when I was about 17, and I quit cigarettes now almost a year and a half ago now. So that's why I like to promote these products when they do come to the market. So as you can see here, you got a nice little manual in here, and basically it's really easy. No button required to turn it on. You just remove the cover, insert the pod into the device, vape and enjoy. Charge the device when red light feature, and then interpreting the light, you're vaping, over inhaling signal, low battery, charging, fully charged. Has a USB port right there, and then it says find your flavor. So for me, the flavor or the nicotine might be a little bit too intense. I would say this is for like somebody that's smoking and that wants to, you know, possibly give it up, or an alternative to smoking. Maybe, you know, you're smoking, you want to quit, or you want to cut back. I'm not saying that this is like a 100% safe alternative to smoking. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that this is maybe something that you can use instead of, in lieu of, or maybe to cut back. So here you go. Warning: don't charge or store device in a damp or hot environment. Don't attempt to repair the product by yourself, as damage to personal can require. Don't use the product for other purposes except only for vaping. Don't swallow the e-liquid. Vape it, love it. And it says sign up now. Vfolkworld.com. Register your Vfolk device. Efficient service, digital warranty, rewards program, auto ship and save money, more surprises. And there's your links right there. And I will actually have links down below. So I'll have a tracking link as well. I am not getting paid if you buy this product. So if you buy this product, you know, none of the profits go to me, strictly to Vfolk World. So let me go ahead and pop this thing out of here. So I do like the packaging, pretty nice and simple. You get that part out. I do like the USB cable. That's actually, it's a lot of thought that went into this one. I see they give you a nice USB cable, so they didn't have to provide a, you know, cool looking USB cable. It's like threaded almost, and it has like a mesh metal design, and it has this cool thing right here, and it just looks appealing. Like it's one of those things that's like, wow, they didn't include just your standard old. This is all like metal design, like a spring right here. So this is actually one of the USB cords that I've been using for other products, just because it looks so cool. So, you know, just little things like that companies throw into your device just to make it look, you know what I'm saying, they didn't skimp on it and just give you the generic old Chinese same old kind of charger. But that's just a visual observation. Obviously, you know, it's a USB cord, it charges. Let me go ahead and, so this is what you get here. This is what I've been trying. The mango, you get your mint mango, coffee, and tobacco right there. So I'm gonna go ahead with the mango once again. I'm gonna vape it real quick for you guys. And like I said, this is a little bit stronger than regular vape. So what I vape is a 3 milligrams. As you guys know, it's Stifler's mom. This is quite a big device though, so it does pull a lot. This is more of just like a little drag, like kind of like a, you know, smoke a cigarette type thing. So let me go ahead and do that for you guys right here. One sec. Okay, so as you guys can see, right here is the Vfolk right here. This is how it looks compared to my regular vaping device. This thing is a honking thing with 2 batteries. This thing right here lasts you a little bit. It's not gonna last you the full day. You probably have to charge it here and there, but like I said, it's really light, discreet. You can probably just put like a little battery pack, boom, and you're good to go. So you take a vape right there, and then you have a little light right here that lights up. And pretty much that's about it. You just take little tokes. You're not gonna be like, you know, killing yourself on it or whatever. So just little. So it's pretty much really similar to smoking a cigarette. That's basically what the gist is. But the flavor profile of this particular one, the mango, you can taste the mango all throughout your mouth, and then you get like a mint flavor as well, and you get a nice little throat hit. And the pull on this thing is actually pretty good. You know, the pull is pretty good. You don't have to, you know, on some other devices that I've seen on the market. Can't really name them right now. Maybe Blue might be one of them that might be a little bit harder to pull on. I'm gonna try some other flavors here right now with you guys. Let's see here. So, okay, so let's see here. Try another one out for you. Not gonna look at what it is. We'll just see what it is. I'll be able to tell right away. And that's gonna be your tobacco. So tobacco. That's a weird flavor for me because obviously I haven't smoked cigarettes in such a long time that it's kind of like a tobacco cigarette. I'm gonna say this one is okay, but since I haven't been smoking cigarettes, I'll try one more time, then we'll move on to the next one. Yeah, if you're a cigarette smoker, like Marlboro Reds and stuff like that, or Marlboro, or anything like that, this is gonna be your flavor. It's like, and it's not like nasty. It doesn't taste like a burnt sock or anything like that. It's actually a decent flavor. So, of course, I'm gonna be partial to the cigarette one or the tobacco one because, you know, I don't vape to get a tobacco flavor in my mouth anymore. So that one is okay, not my favorite. So far mango is definitely my favorite going into this. So we're gonna try now looks like we're gonna be trying tobacco, or not tobacco, coffee. Let's try some coffee. So oh yeah, man. This coffee one, man, this coffee one. That's funny, man. I'm Colombian, obviously, so I drink a lot of coffee. Grew up on coffee, you know. Seen people pick coffee in Colombia and everything like that. Let me tell you, spot on, man. It's like a little bit of milk. Like you ever go to like a grocery convenience store, get a little cup of coffee with some milk in it? Right here. That, wow. That's funny. Oh yeah, you can, and it's crazy because you can almost taste like the creamer in it. You can almost, like, I legit can, like, it's like I'm sipping on a good cup of coffee right now. It's like the little New York Bodega coffee. They must have spent a good amount of time with these flavors because I know other companies, they all just taste the same with a little bit of like here and there. But no, they did their research on this one. So. Coffee, yeah. Coffee and mango now, man. I'm gonna say coffee and mango definitely probably tied up. Man, that's a tough decision. That's a tough decision. Let's try mint. All right, let's try mint. So mint is probably gonna be like a tobacco type, minty type thing. I don't know. It might hit me in the face with some flavor here. So let's try this. So I'm yanking them all out of the thing here for the first time, just to show you guys. I'm gonna try this mint out real quick, and then we're gonna wrap up my final thoughts. And then I will give you guys a later video, obviously, telling you how I feel about the product and stuff like that. But here goes the mint, real quick. Let's see. Okay. Whoa, that mint hit you hard. Like, the mint is like a spearmint or a, man, what's the blue gum? I can't remember. I can't think of it right now, right this second. But that's how I like to make my videos, just off the cuff, straight up, raw reaction. Let's see here one more time. Oh yeah, it's almost like a chewing gum type, like spearmint, double mint, stuff like that. You just get like a fresh, minty kind of flavor in your mouth. The nicotine, I know it has salt nicotine in here, so this is 5%, but you know, it's not like it's not like a really like hit you in the face type of nicotine type flavor. This is quite smooth. So to compare, obviously, you know, you got this big thing right here, got your two big old batteries in there. And it's a big draw. Obviously, you got to spend quite a bit on the box. The box is 60 bucks. The batteries are another 20 bucks. The tank itself is about another 30 bucks. So all in right here, you're spending about probably 100 bucks on something like this, just to get started with one of these. With this Vfolk, I'm not sure of the exact pricing, guys. So on the website, it doesn't actually have the exact pricing, but I'm assuming this stick is probably like 15 bucks, 10 bucks. I don't know, whatever the pricing is. You guys will see it in the website down below. Let me know what you guys think about the pricing and everything like that. Obviously, I'm not privy to that information at the moment. But, and the pods, you know, maybe five bucks a piece. I don't know what the pricing is going to be on this thing exactly. But I'm assuming it's going to be probably, you know, 25 bucks, 30 bucks, and it gets you a few pods and, you know, maybe a vaping device. So yeah, that mint, try that again, man. I do like the fact that you can change these in and out really fast. So go right from mint. Let's go back to coffee real quick. So we'll just yank it out of here. And these things, they don't leak. There's no leakage. That's one of the things that they're touting, is that there's no leakage, and I don't see any leakage whatsoever on there. Really fun, really discreet, really kind of cool looking. Looks kind of looks like a flashlight. Kind of looks like a little mini flashlight or something like that you have in your pocket. And that's the coffee one again. So yeah, I'd say probably coffee or mango is my favorite. They've really hit it on the coffee one. Oh man, that's just wacky. So in conclusion, guys, you know, I think this is a great product. Vfolk, I think they hit it out of the park. I don't see any like major issues or malfunctions. Once you put this thing on there, it's pretty cool that they each come with their own little piece of, they come with their own little rubber connector thing there, so you can just kind of put it like that, and then you can just carry it like that. And the magnetic holder is really well seated in there. Once you put it in there, right there, once you put it in there, or you can even carry this separately. You don't have to carry this. You can carry this separately in your pocket right there, maybe in your little jean pocket or whatever. And I think it's I think it's a great device. Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And I also have another product in the waiting as well. So stay tuned for this product as well, coming to the channel soon. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.